na gutungata arita mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi na kuria agukorwo akioerera kuma hari uria wakire mutongoria wa kana mutongoria uyu noordim haji na uria waikorirwo akiamurwo gukorwo kana arita munene wa ruhonge rwa ugacheru guuku bururiini Mulele aikorwo akiamurwo gatagati ka andu 15 na akorwo agitungata kahinda-ini ka miaka 8 kwihitithio gwake thingiraini wa iregi gukorwo gukirugamiriirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari Ruto munini wake iregi wa gachagua orodo mukana na kuria president Ruto akionanirie kuiganira na wamurani uyu guku akiuga ati kana akiuria Mulele gwitigirira ni akiruta wira wake na njira ya uigiririki.
I, Renson Mulele Ngonga, do solemnly affirm that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, that I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer, and defend this Constitution and exercise the constitutional functions entrusted to me with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the criminal justice system of Kenya.
Madam Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court, Mr. Speaker, sir, and distinguished leaders present here, Bwana DPP. The oath you have taken today before God and man places an extraordinary burden of responsibility on your very able shoulders. It is a solemn commitment to serve with fidelity, to pursue justice without fear or favor, and to uphold the rule of law in every decision that you will be making. You assume office at a unique time in our nation's history. The people of Kenya are resolute in the need to realize accountability for those entrusted with public office at all levels of government and within all our arms. As a seasoned prosecutor, you are aware that in the past, some anti-graft actions were concocted to settle scores that had nothing to do with fighting corruption. Kenyans hope, and I hope, that under your tenure, the war on corruption will not be used to settle political scores, to target persons for their beliefs, or to pressure persons to abandon their rights and principles.
Tugetigane na icio ciĩgiĩ wamũrani wa mũtongoria wa thitango cia mũingĩ na tũhiũke nginyagia kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru na nĩ atĩ